Hey, it's Jerimiah Taylor with Movoto, and I want to talk to you a little bit today about mortgage interest rates. Now, I was recently interviewed by Money.com for what is happening. Why are mortgage rates going up, and when will they come back down, or will they go even higher first? Now, we're going to have a link to that article in the email below or here on the blog, and you can click on that. But here's what's happening. We have a lot of uncertainty in the real estate market today. Actually, we have a lot of uncertainty in the global economy today. And when you ask what interest rates are doing, there's really two things that drive interest rates. One is mortgage-backed securities traders and their level of uncertainty and their appetite to buy mortgage-backed securities. And then the second is that interest rates tend to closely follow the 10-year Treasury yield. Well, here's what we know. As rates continue to get increased by the federal government and the central banks, that 10-year Treasury yield becomes more attractive and the yields go up. So typically, mortgage-backed securities or interest rates are going to trade somewhere about 100 to 120 basis points above those 10-year Treasury yields. What that means is if the 10-year Treasury yield is 3, you should expect to see an interest rate around 4 or maybe 4.5. What's happened in times of uncertainty, now when this has happened in the past, 2008, 2020, those yields go further and further apart, and they get as much as 300 or 350 basis points apart. So what that means is the 10-year rate is around 3, but then mortgage interest rates are around 6. Well, eventually, here's what happens. Some of that uncertainty goes away. The 10-year stays where it is, and mortgage rates snap back to their normal levels of 100 to 150 basis points above. So just last week, we saw this happen. We saw consumer inflation come out a little bit softer than expected. And overnight, you saw interest rates go from 7 to 5.5 to 5.75. Now, why does this matter for home buyers and sellers? Because you have to pay attention. The market is moving fast. We've rarely seen volatility like this, but volatility creates opportunity. So reach out to an agent here at the Taylor team today, and we will help you take advantage of the opportunities in this market.